In this video, we're gonna walk you through the top 11 patterns for West Coast Swing music so you know what you're looking at when you're learning. The first one is the starter step. Then we're gonna dance a side pass. I want you to think about this. There's three main buckets. There's pushes, you might call this a sugar push or a push break. That's one bucket. Side passes are the next bucket. That'd be a right side pass and a left side pass. Those are your side passes, bucket number 2. Now we go into our 8 count pattern. That's our whip, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First move is the sugar push. From this push, I can also do something like a sugar tuck. My hand's gonna get stuck on the top, so I'm gonna do a right side pass. So you might see a sugar tuck, followed by a right side pass or underarm turn. We also have this left side pass. This is boring to learn in the beginning. It seems like it's not very interesting, but from that left side pass, you can get to the inside turn. You can also get to the passing tuck. Oops, hands on top, right side pass. Then we have our basic whip. This is the first 8 count pattern. I want you to think of this in 2-beat increments. Here's what I want you to think about it. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Makes it a little easier as you're going from 6 to 8 count patterns. If we have a whip, we have to turn out of the whip. This is an inside turn variation. This is the first variation that I learned. Super easy, cool, still use it to this day. Then we have a whip with a single outside turn. Let me use a right side pass to get the other side. Change up things. Whip with an outside turn. If we have a basic whip, we have to have a reverse whip. That's gonna look a lot like a right side pass. So you see, this is my 6 count right side pass. The reverse whip looks like a right side pass, but I cut her off and send her out of it. Here's a bonus move. This is called the rock and go. How do I take this 8 count move and instead of an anchor step, pull her out of it into another move? That is called a rock and go. That's your bonus. Now, if you're new to West Coast Swing, you definitely want to download our ebook for West Coast Swing. It's going to be a guide for everything you want to know from beginner to pro level. Tons of cool resources. You can get it here. If you want to learn these basic patterns or maybe the 5 patterns to learn after this, check out the playlist to the side of Megan's head there, and you can learn all these moves and more. We'll see you on the dance floor soon.